Hi guys, it's Regina and I'm back with a haul video. I went to Michael's last night and I found these paper shapes and they're robots. You get 12 pieces and I figured I can make a mini out of it, and I was excited because I think it would go perfect with this robot paper right here. Look at that. That would be a perfect mini. And I think this is enough size to put a wallet-sized photo, so I was excited about that. And then I found this cute cupcake paper by Chatterbox. So I think I'll be making a fourth cupcake mini. Really cute. And then I actually found some more cupcake chipboard minis. So I picked up 4 more of those. And then I picked up this little owl. And these are by Blue Moon. So it was $2.99 from $3.99. They're 25% off now. And then with my 50% off coupon, I bought this Martha Punch. And I love it because you can put string through there and tie it in a knot and make an embellishment. So that was $6.50 from $12.99. And then they had this shimmer paper. And it was $7.99 on clearance. And then it rang up $4. And then I asked her if I could use a 40% off. So she let me. So I got it for $2.40. So that wasn't bad. It's really pretty paper. But I was super excited to find this. Oh my gosh. I had seen this on Miss Soft Brown's video. And it's the Music Stack by DCWV. And I never even noticed this until I saw it in her video. But I love it. And this was $4. And I'm assuming it was originally 20 bucks. And the papers are beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Like, I love each and every page. Super pretty. And not bad for $4. So that was an awesome find. And then I went to Joann's and they actually had some more of the Sweet Life. And I hadn't found these pieces before. And now they're actually marked down for 97 cents on clearance. So that was cool. And then I found some more of the Lucky You brand. And these are also 97 cents on clearance. So these are the epoxy stickers. Got this set too. Really cute. These are the clear letters. So I picked up 2 of those. And then I like these. These are cute too. And then this was on clearance too. It says $4.97, but it rang up $2.97. And they're Heidi Grace clear stamps. So not bad for $2.97. So they have some awesome deals out there, guys. So be sure to check it out. Okay? Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.